Have you been looking for a camper for your truck? Well, Scout Campers has a model for almost every truck on the market. Beside me here first is Scout's newest model, which is the Yoho Pop UP. In the next couple months here, Scout's going to release an Olympic Pop UP and a Kenai Pop UP, so we'll be able to see those. Nick, come have a look inside this camper. This thing's looking dialed. This one has the sage green inside the camper, so this one has a nice sage fabric. Really nice looking rig. New battery system, bamboo countertops. The roof is sloped, so your water and snow will run off nicely. Allows for a bigger door that I just jumped through. All the windows can go down except for the rear ones. So you have tons of panoramic views in here. Looks amazing. Well, let's go check out some of these other models here. You can see on this Kenai here that this has a brand new GFC tent on it. That's their newest model. So you can see it's a GFC Pro. So that's pretty sweet. That's the first time I've seen one at a show. Really like that. And then you have our Yoho here. This one's in the stone gray color, but this guy's gonna fit, same as the Yoho Pop-Up, same size dimensions. Gonna work on your Ranger, your Tacoma, 5-foot beds and longer for the Yoho Pop-Up and this one here. And then we have a Tuktut. No, we're not gonna jump inside, but this will fit on all your 4.5-foot beds and longer, so your Gladiators. Done lots of videos on those, but your smaller trucks, Mavericks, Gladiators, gonna work on those. We'll do another video on the Tuktut another day, but then we have our Olympic here. So this is gonna be your half tons and bigger, so your 5.5-foot beds and longer. It'll work on 6.5 to close your tailgate, but works on lots of trucks. This one's in the stone gray as well, but sit across from each other. This one, the dining table makes down to bed easily, about 2 seconds. I'll show you that quick. Just pop this guy down, goes back up, and then you have a sleeping area this way. You have the new slide-out bed option. This comes out, cushions fill in, so you got a north-south sleeping there with your head by the windows. That's nice. You got a nice big sink in these 2025s. Cooktop can come outside for cooking. Your lifesaver to get water from anywhere. Diesel heater on the back. And then we have our Scout Kenai, and this is at the show in Quebec, and these guys brought the sage green colors, which I personally love. So we also do the campers in a brown. They also have little giant steps. Super easy to get in and out of the campers. Love these steps. But in this Kenai, you can see the table moves. This will also go down to sleep this way if you want. You can move this cooler out and have somebody else sleep here. You have your inverter on this power station here. So that's the new power tower and the inverter option. Again, the full slide-out bed here pops up, slides out, and then you'd fill your cushions in. So you sleep this way. Hanging storage bags, easy to get into the rooftop tent. So I could crawl up through here and jump into the tent if I wanted to, but not feeling that ambitious at the moment. So there's a ladder for the tent as well, but you can get in through here. If you don't have the tent, it's a skylight. Again, it's a 2025. I'm going to show you something here. This Kenai, the Kenai comes with a snap-on cover for your toilet area, so you or your wife can have some privacy. Wall will go here, and it also comes with a shower curtain that clips into these buttons, because right below me is where the mud pan is, so you can have a shower inside the Kenai. And the Kenai is the only model that comes with this toilet option that turns, so you can have an actual toilet in your camper. Anyways, tons of shelves. Love the sage green. Have a look here. We have all the models on display for all sorts of different trucks with a dealer in Quebec.